How to rotate an image in GIMP. Well, this is actually really quite simple. I've actually already got the tool selected. So after you've opened your GIMP program and you have your image that you want to rotate, all you're doing is looking for this tool right here called the rotate tool. Click on it. Now you can click and drag any which direction, and that rotates your image. Now suppose you're rotating it and it reaches a point where it leaves the image. All you have to do is hit cancel. Let's come to the crop tool, allow growing, then expand our image layout area. Now we can come back to the rotate tool and rotate again. Now we rotate it to where we need. Now suppose you want to rotate that as an overlay. Let's do Control-A, Control-C, because this happens to be a PNG with a transparent background. Come and paste it to your image. Come to a new layer. We can do layer, scale layer, make it smaller. Let's make it a lot smaller than that, huh? Okay. Now we can click on that image and rotate it. But we can also rotate the image behind it. So if we click the image behind it, the layer, you can see it can be rotated too. Any layer that you have selected, and just click rotate. And there you have it. So that's really quite simple, but now you know how to rotate an image in GIMP.